Turning now to tonight's medical rounds. The holidays, of course, are a time when families get together. And for some adult children heading home to see their senior parents, that can mean change because their parents might not be doing as well. Lori St. John is Vice President of Hartford Healthcare at Home and Independence at Home, where there are specialized services to help families. Good evening, Lori. Thank you very much for being with us tonight.
Hi, Mark. Thank you for having me.
Well, let me start. First of all, what are some of the signs to look out for in your parents or perhaps their home after some time has gone by?
Well, oftentimes when adult children go home for the holidays, they may notice that their parents have a decline in nutrition, possibly hygiene. They may find that there's not enough food in the home, or the person may have had some memory changes. These are all usually signs that the person needs additional help in the home. It can be something as simple as an emergency response system, which we can install and teach the person to use, or it could be something like 2 or 3 hours of personal care attendant to help them with hygiene and nutrition.
Can certainly be alarming for the children, that's for sure. Tell us what happens during one of your home assessments.
Yes, well, we send out a supervisor, and she will meet with the family and listen to their needs. She will do a home assessment and make recommendations to keep that person safely at home. And then with the family, they'll put together a plan of care to keep that person safe.
Because you're obviously part of Hartford Healthcare, are there other resources that are available?
Yes, because Independence at Home is part of the Hartford Healthcare system, we can help with a person's personal needs and safety needs. But if the parent had a higher skill type need like therapy or behavioral health, we can certainly help them access that.
I guess I'll ask you lastly, any advice for children as they head home and maybe see their parents? And like I said before, it could be a little alarming for them.
Well, I would just be aware. I would look for any of the signs that they might need additional help. At Independence at Home, our mission is to keep people safely in their home as long as we can.
All right, that is wonderful. Lori St. John, thank you very much for joining us tonight with this great information. It's certainly nice to know these services exist and can obviously help so many people. If you would like more information about this, you can call the Independence at Home office for an assessment. The number is 1-888-863-2771. We also have a link to their page on our website, WFSB.com.